everyone, welcome to Cook with Shamila. Today I am going to show you how to make sweet and sour soya meat. This is very specially for you, the vegetarians out there. We need 100 grams of soya meat. This has been soaked in hot water and squeezed. 4 tablespoons flour, tomato ketchup, onions cut into quarters, 3 capsicum, 1 egg, 200 grams of pineapple, 3 tomatoes, ginger, garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, oil and some water. Now let's make a paste to dip this and deep fry. First I am going to add a little salt. Then water. Now I am going to add the egg, beat the egg and add it to this. Now I am going to dip the soya meat in the batter and deep fry. I'll just take this out now. We are almost done with the dipping now. Now I am going to add the oil to the pan. 1 tablespoon of oil. Need to add ginger and garlic. Now I need to add the pineapple, onions, capsicum, tomatoes, and the ketchup. I will reduce the heat a bit. This dish is very specially for Mr. Asanka Fernando. Now I am going to add the soya meat. Let's add the sugar now. 2 tablespoons of sugar. This was tried and tested recipe originated by me. So I would like to call it Shamila's Sweet and Sour Soya Meat. Now it's ready to serve. You can check this recipe by clicking the description below. My dish is completed. I want you to try this out and give me your thoughts. Bye bye till we meet in a new episode.